Good Thursday. It's a wok. It's a vintage carbon steel wok. I have too many woks. Look how it was shipped. Look. If it's damaged, I'm going to be quite upset. It was a buy it now for $45, free shipping, but he also had it listed for $35. $35, buy it now for $45. This looked like it would be fun to refurbish. It's got staining, it's got rust. One of the reasons I wanted this was because there are no rivets. Oftentimes with the new woks you get rivets and the handles look like maple. I don't know if they're maple. No box. So he did save on shipping. You know, part of the fun is cleaning them up and making them look like new. It's got a wobble. It's got a wobble. Oh, it's pretty stable on the stove. Let's see. That's pretty stable on the coils. Beautiful handles. This might not need refinishing. I can refinish the helper handle. Forgive the air conditioning, it's really hot in here. Okay, so there's not too much blackening going on in here. It won't be too hard to remove. The bottom's pretty black. I think we're going to have to oven off this. What intrigued me about this handle, a lot of the modern woks, you've got a groove here, and this metal comes up and goes around inside, and there's no way you can take the wood handle off. It looks like if I take this screw out, and that screw out, I might be able to lift this off, which means I can season this in the oven. I don't have to wrap the handle. That's a pretty handle. You don't see that on many woks. That's a pretty handle. I'm not sure I have to refinish this handle. Aluminum, easily polished. No inside rivets? No inside rivets. Pretty cool. Alright, let's get a screwdriver. So if this handle comes off, that'll be, you know, you just don't see it. You don't see it. That came off. You never know. That's a wood screw. I can refinish this handle. Oh man. That's why I wanted it. That's one of the reasons I wanted it. I guess I'll end up with 3 woks. I'll have the Farberware electric. I can't get rid of that. I have the aluminum, and then I'll have a carbon steel. Look at that! I can put this whole thing in the oven. No wood. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Boy, that's a spinner. Let's take another look on the stove. See, on the coil, it's not bad. You can't use this on a glass top. So I guess I'm going to take it outside. I'm going to spray it with oven off. at 250 for 15 minutes, and then we'll wipe her down with oil. Back in the oven, 450. 450. This is round 2. And the outside. Wipe it in, wipe it out. This is our 3rd round. Okay, that's 3 seasonings in the oven. 3 seasonings. I'm gonna go to the store and buy some green onions. We're gonna do some aromatics today. Maybe cook an egg, because that's what I do, I cook eggs. Oh, and I guess we'll have to reattach the handles. Crispy carbon steel edges. Oh, it's toasty. Toasty. You know what I'm gonna say?